How to get $100 Popeyes Louisiana kitchen promo code. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here we go. Now type in couponfollow.com and search for it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of CouponFollow. Now at the top right, you will find this search icon. Click on it. Now at the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in popeyes.com and search for it. With that, you will be directed to the Popeyes coupon codes page. Now in this page, you will be able to find different codes and offers. Popeyes serves chicken dishes in mild and spicy flavors and offers sides such as red beans, rice, mashed potatoes, and so on. In addition to chicken, Popeyes also serves seafood in trays such as shrimp and catfish. Popeyes distinguishes itself with a unique New Orleans-style menu featuring spicy chicken, chicken tenders, fried shrimp, and other regional items. This unique and flavorful food has allowed Popeyes to become one of the world's largest chicken quick service restaurants. To get discount on those menus, you can use these promo codes. You can scroll down and go through all these promo codes. You can see that $8 off, 50% off, 5% off, and so on. So go ahead and check the offers and grab one for yourself. If you want to use any of the offer, all you need to do is click on the option of see details. With that, you will get the code. So I have selected 15% off. Once you get the code, click on the option of copy. Now you can head towards the website of Popeyes. Now whenever you place your order, you can use this code to get 15% off. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code, if the code is valid or not. Once you check that, you will be good to go. If you want to use this code right now, all you need to do is click on this option redeem at Popeyes. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Popeyes. Now you can log into your account. Now whenever you place your order, you can use this code. So that's all for this video. This is how you can get up to $100 Popeyes Louisiana kitchen promo codes. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.